And you are in trouble.
I'm going to unload my truck, set the furniture up, and I'll be gone in 15 minutes.
I would like.
What happened with her face?
What about her face?
So she waste of time.
Just come back over here. I'm just going to take a picture. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, because she's got... Yeah, man. I'm just going to go right here in my car, number 21. You okay? Take a seat.
Oh, with it on, okay. Same protocol for every.